Hello all. We have reached to our fourth topic, that is crop insurance of chapter 3. In this we'll talk about various insurances schemes uh, taken initiative by the government of India, and what are the different expendings on those particular schemes. So let's get started. So, in the year 1985, the scheme of comprehensive crop insurance was implemented for the period of 15 years at the very beginning of 1985. Then improvement was made based on area approach, then which was linked to crop credit, which was of short term. So various problems that arise in agriculture are crop failure, non remunerative prices for the of the crops, then poor returns on the yield. These are the various problems why we need insurance, crop insurance in agriculture. So the agriculture insurance in India, these are the various agriculture insurances in India. We will look at them at one by one. So firstly, in National Agricultural Insurance Scheme. So in this objective of this scheme was to provide financial support to farmers when there is a failure of crop because of natural calamity, pest, and diseases. So this was on the based on the operated on the area approach. Is that area has have been defined for each notified crops like block, tehsil, mandal, firka, circle, uh, gram panchayat, then and other segmentation. So as you can see here, these are the years, and the BE here, it is budgeted estimate, and RE is revised estimate. This budgeted estimate and revised estimate is there in each and every scheme. So firstly, in the budget, the budget is made, and the estimated amount is this, that these this expenditure will be made in this scheme. But throughout the time, the revision takes place, and the amount of expenditure increases. And considering this both, the actual expenditure, when or the expenditure is made in the scheme, after that the actual expenditure is calculated. And you can see, basically, if you see a revised estimate and actual expenditure, both are almost same. Like you can see, this is same, this is same, this two, and here only two is not there. So basically, revised estimate is equal to actual expenditure in many cases. Same, you can see in modified National Agriculture Insurance Scheme. This was for improving further, and making scheme easier and more farmer friendly. Joint group which was constituted by the government of India for studying existing schemes for crop insurance. So in this also you can see, in 2010-11, revised, it wasn't budgeted, but they introduced a revised estimation, and the actual expenditure was less. So in the next year, the budgeted was increased, but the actual expenditure was less. Then in the considering this amount, in next year only 80 was given budgeted, but initially, then following the time, 195 where 94 was the actual expenditure. Next, we'll see the pilot weather-based crop insurance scheme. So this scheme aims towards providing insurance protection to farmers among the adverse weather incidents like excess and deficiency rainfall or lower high temperature, humidity, and many other which could impact crop production adversely. So in this we have few examples of private insurance companies like ICICI Lombard, IFCO Tokyo, HDFC Argo, and Cholamandalam MS Limited. These are the companies who provide the private companies which provide insurance to people, farmers. Then in a pilot coconut palm insurance scheme, this scheme was approved for being implemented on a pilot basis in the year 2009-10 for in selected areas only, like Goa, AP, Kerala, Karnataka, Odisha, TN, and Maharashtra. So the sum insured is actually based on the actual average input cost of plantation and age of a specific plant that varies from rupees 600 to 1150. It was basically for the coconut palm insurance. Then the last scheme was Pradhanmantri Fasal Bima Yojana. This scheme was made several improvements as compared to the preceding schemes. One such highlight of this scheme is that the absence of any upper limit in government subsidy, even when balance premium is 90%. So this was the difference highlight of this scheme. The features followed in this scheme was coverage of farmers, crops, premium rates, area-based insurance unit, coverage of risks, innovative use of technology, then cluster approach, like a small area approach of insurance companies. The insurance companies taking care of small areas. Then you can see the comparison of the three main schemes here. The premium rate in this was low, in this it was high, and in this it was low. Then one season, one premium, it was there in this, not in this, yes in this. And most importantly, awareness was not there of this scheme and this scheme, but this scheme was people had awareness about this scheme mostly. So the main purpose of the schemes is that the people should know about it, then only they will go they will have the benefit of it. So we come to the end of the this topic and its activity time. So here you have to explain any one of the following crop insurance scheme in detail. You can take the help of your teachers and your internet surfing and all. So the insurance schemes are a National Agriculture Insurance Scheme, a pilot modified National Agriculture Insurance Scheme, pilot weather-based crop insurance scheme, pilot crop palm insurance scheme, and Pradhanmantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Take any one of it and go search for more details about it and how it is successful and whether people know it about it or not. So that's the end of the topic. Thanks for joining.